Is your 2002-2006 Nissan Maxima key fob not working from as far away or at all? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Save money by replacing it yourself. This video will guide you through the simple process of removing, installing, and resetting your key fob battery. This video is up to date as of 2025. You'll need a few basic tools to replace your Nissan Maxima key fob battery. First, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Plastic is safer to avoid damaging the fob. You'll also need a new CR2032 battery, available at most stores or online for about $5 to $10. The CR2032 battery is a standard lithium coin cell. Consider a key fob opening kit for easier and safer access. Locate the small notch on the side of your key fob. This is where you'll start opening it. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the notch. Twist or pry carefully to separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the casing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. Take note of the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Gently pry the battery out of its compartment using a small screwdriver. Be careful not to short-circuit anything during removal. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment with the positive side facing up, just like the old battery was oriented. Make sure the battery sits securely in place without any wobble. Now carefully align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together. Apply even pressure to ensure a tight seal and double-check that all edges are flush with no gaps. Test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. If it works, you're all set. If not, you may need to reset the fob. Try holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds until the lights flash. Then test again. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacement, start by checking for corrosion inside the fob. Use isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush to clean any buildup. Make sure you're using a fresh, correctly rated CR2032 battery. If issues continue, a professional may need to reprogram the fob, though this is uncommon. Following these troubleshooting steps should resolve most key fob issues for your 2002-2006 Nissan Maxima.